Fried chicken. How to make best crispy fried chicken in 15 minutes a day. KFC chicken. KFC home style fried chicken. Southern fried chicken. KFC recipe. So today we are making fried chicken. And it's simple and easy to do. Just follow the step-by-step instructions. So first, put your chicken to marinate. So marinate your chicken. Season your chicken and put it to marinate. However you want to marinate your chicken. We're not paying attention too much about the marinating process. We have several videos show you how to marinate in chicken. We are trying to give you some information about the crispy look and taste. So the marinating, we're not paying much attention to the marinating. So marinate your chicken and have it ready. This is my pot with my oil. In this pot we are adding garlic and scotch bonnet pepper for high flavor. So everyone can fry chicken, but what their chicken tastes like, it based on how you flavor your chicken and the process you use to fry your chicken. So this is my pot with my oil with garlic and scotch bonnet pepper for high flavor. Okay, in a container I will add some flour to coat the chicken. Remember, we're making crispy fried chicken, so the chicken cannot just fry like that. So we gotta put flour in a container with some baking powder, and we gotta season that flour for more flavor again. And the purpose of the baking powder is to make the coat of the flour is not too heavy on the chicken. So in this video we are frying 15 pounds of chicken, and we gotta use 2.5 pounds of flour to coat the chicken. So we gotta add some all-purpose seasoning to the flour. Yeah, so we're making crispy fried chicken. Very easy. Follow this method. Very tasty. So we add some all-purpose seasoning to the flour. So we add some chicken seasonings as well to our flour. So this flour is what we're gonna use to coat the chicken, to give it that crispy look and taste. Just follow these instructions, simple and easy. So we're using like a tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon a chicken seasoning, and we're gonna use garlic as well, a tablespoon of garlic. Follow this instruction. Very simple and easy. Now we're adding some baking powder. We're gonna add a tablespoon and a half of baking powder. That's all we gotta use in the flour that we use to coat the chicken. We added no salt because the chicken has already having salt and whatever. So we're not adding any salt to this coating. It's that simple and easy. After we mix our ingredients in the flour, we gotta put our chicken pieces. So now we are coating our chicken with our flour mix. Follow this instruction. Your chicken will come out perfect and tasting very good and looking very good. Just follow this instruction. So coat your chicken properly. Remember, we have the oil and the fire to hot ahead of time with our garlic and pepper for more flavor. So this is flavor, top of flavor because we marinate the chicken. We put garlic and pepper in the oil, flavor again, and in the coating we put more flavor. So think about it. Must taste good. So now it's time to put our pieces in the pot. That's the first piece. Oh, you want to smell this. This is smelling so good. And it hasn't fried as yet. Very smelling good. So remember, when the hot oil can be very dangerous, so take your time and put your pieces in the oil. If you're not a professional cook, use something and take your time and put your pieces in the oil. Very important, very important. So now we put all the pieces in this pot to fry. We gotta make it fry, and we're doing deep fry here. You notice oil is all over the chicken, so you don't have to do much turning because it is frying right around. From time to time, you can take up the pieces, look on it. It all depends on how crispy you want it. So you make these pieces fry about 15 to 20 minutes. So they can fry up to 15 minutes. If you like the chicken more crispy, you can fry it up to 20-25 minutes. It all depends, but it can be fried within 15 minutes. So if when it reach 15 minutes and you don't like, it's not crispy enough, you can make it fry some more, but you don't want it too dry. So we're making crispy fried chicken, KFC style, Southern chicken style, home style. To remember to subscribe, press the notification bell, leave a comment to see more video like this. If you think this video was educational or interested, leave a like. If you have any question, leave a comment. So as you see, fried chicken, easy to do. After your chicken come to a fry, in a container with, it all depends on the type of container. This container basically is like a drainer, so the oil cannot stay. But you could put some hand towel or paper towel in a container and put the chicken pieces to extract the excess grease. And there you have it. Crispy fried chicken done in 15 minutes. All you have to do is repeat this process because we are frying 15 pounds of chickens. So this is just the beginning, and we'll repeat this process over and over. And that's all you need to do to get your crispy fried chicken. And everyone will love this chicken. Guarantee. Very easy to do. Crispy fried chicken. So we gotta repeat the process again. Coat your chicken, add to oil, and you repeat this process until it's done. If you think this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. And don't remember to check out my videos. Several more recipes on my channel, Chef Roden Cooking. And there you have it. Fried chicken. Crispy fried chicken. Very easy to do. Very tasty. Just follow these instructions. And you'll be smiling every time you make your fried chicken. Just repeat the same method and process. So whether you're cooking for family, friends, or business, this is the recipe. You get the fried chicken right every time. Crispy fried chicken. So until then, see you in my next video. And remember to check out the link below and the link above to see many more recipes and chicken and many more Jamaican and other dishes from around the world. This is Chef Roden, and I say, keep on watching. Thank you for watching. This is Scripture fried chicken. Easy to do, very tasty. Enjoy with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss any of these recipes. Very easy to do. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. This is the chef and I am out. Check the channel out. It's hot. It's blazing. Crispy fried chicken. Chef Roden speaking. Give a shout out to Best Jamaica Product and More. Check that channel out as well. Best Jamaica Product and More. See you later.